Hi, I'm Jeff Sakharoff, Director of Career Services for the College of Textiles at NC State. This video is going to cover how to find events, workshops, and schedule appointments in EPack. This is number 4 in an ongoing series. If you've not already done so, I highly recommend you go back and start with video number 1, which covers how to update your profile. Video number 2 touches on how to search for jobs and internships, and number 3 explains how to research employers and contacts. So when you log in, this is the home page again where EPack will take you, and on the right hand side here you'll see a shortcut menu. If you click on schedule an appointment, it'll then ask you what the topic is. You can fill it out or you can leave it blank. It can be helpful for me to know what you're coming in for, but if you're not sure, you got a lot of topics, that's totally fine. It's going to give you a 2-week date range to search for, and what I recommend you do is come down here, find my name and click on it, and then hit check availability. You'll see my appointments, the time slots that I've open for each day. You can click on it, schedule it, and boom, you're done. And if you have this synced to your calendar, it will go ahead and add it there as well. And then it'll tell you what appointments you have if you've had any scheduled. So that's pretty simple. If I come over to events, if you want to find out what workshops are going on, I'm going to be scheduling many more. I just wanted to put a few in here just so you can get a sense of what it would look like. All my workshops will be start off with COT for College Textiles, of course, so you can search by just those initials. But if you click on the topic, this is going to be about how to use EPack effectively. You click RSVP, and then it'll add to your calendar. For these workshops, RSVP is helpful for me. Don't feel like you have to. I'd much rather you come, even if you didn't RSVP, than miss out. So again, it's helpful for me to get an approximate head count, but don't let that be prohibitive if you forgot to sign up. Information sessions, we're going to have many employers coming in the fall, and what they do is they'll host like a 1-hour info session where they're sharing information about their company, their process. You can ask questions. It's a great way to network. You can search those here as well. And then the career fair tab, of course, is going to bring you to this page. You can see all the career fairs coming up in the fall. Of course, you are eligible and invited and welcome to go to any of these events because, as you know, our majors certainly bleed over and have a lot of opportunities in engineering and management. But let me go ahead and click on the College of Textiles Fall Fair. It'll tell you that right now we have 24 employers registered. That number will certainly go up as the event gets closer, but it'll tell you which employers are coming, a little bit about them, what opportunities they have, and again, this will get more populated as the event gets closer, but it's a nice way for you to monitor who's coming, do some research before the event, prioritize which employers you want to speak with, and so forth. So just wanted to give you a quick overview of those things, how to find events and workshops, career fairs, and how to schedule appointments with me. Thanks for watching, and again, if you haven't already gone back and watched the previous videos, I highly recommend you do that. Please let me know what else I can do to help you be successful. Thanks.